my first order of the day. It is for 7-Eleven, $15, going about 6 miles. So we had a bit of a snowstorm the past couple of days. I think we got maybe 5 or 6 inches, which some people might say is not a lot, but I'd say it's about average. There you are. Have a good day. All right, I got my next order. This is Angels. I believe it's at $11, going 3 miles. Keeping busy?
Oh yeah, yesterday and the day before.
I bet.
Take care, okay?
Yep.
Stay safe.
Got my next order right away. This is a Starbucks, $11, going 4 miles. This lobby better be open because there's at least 8 cars in the drive-thru right now.
There you go.
Thank you. This is a Seize the Bagel, $8.50, going 2 miles.
There you are.
Thank you. It's kind of surprising how many no tip or low tip orders I'm getting today. You'd think with all these terrible road conditions and me risking my life to get you a coffee, you'd be able to drop another $1 or $2. You'd think. Just got my next orders. This is a stack for Starbucks, $19, going about 9 miles. Thank you. Of course, it's upstairs. It's always upstairs. Next order just came in. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $13, going 5 miles, 3 items. Next order up is for Muchas Gracias, $10, going 5.5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Next order up is a McDonald's. This is $7.25, going 3 miles. Thank you.
Hey, thank you much.
Yep.
I appreciate it.
Have a good one.
You too.
Thank you. Just got a stacked Panera order. This is $12.75, going 5.5 miles.
Here's that for you.
Thank you. Got a bad feeling about this one, but I took it anyways. This is a Seize the Bagel, $18, going 3.5 miles.
There you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I've got a case of Mountain Dew that I've been slowly trying to get rid of. I got it a couple days ago from a shop and deliver that was canceled. So they might be a little frozen right now, but still offering. Next order is a stacked Subway. I believe it said $15 going like 6 miles, something like that. Hello. Yeah, I've got 2 pickups. Neither of them ordered drinks, so I'm sure these guys are gonna say yes. Hey, how's it going? Hey, did you want a Mountain Dew? I have a bunch.
Oh no, you're good, man. Well, thank you so much.
Yep, have a good day. Thank you. All right, next order up is a Victorico's. I believe it's at $7 going like 4 miles.
Here for Casey?
Yeah.
All right, here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. It's a lot of food. Oh, and I read the order wrong. Apparently it's $7 going like 2 miles. So it's even better than I thought. Shout out to the GPS for taking me to the wrong apartments. And on that note, I am gonna call it, because that kind of tilted me, I'm not gonna lie. Current time is 11:19. Current total is 139, and I think I have 2 Uber tips yet to come in, so we'll say about 145 for the day. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.